Alright, so jumping straight into one of the first things that I wish I was aware of when I first got started with affiliate marketing many years ago, which is the pros and cons. And the reason why this is important for you to know is because if you're not aware of all of the different advantages and the disadvantages when it comes to this particular business model, you're not going to be able to fully decide on if this is something that you want to do over the long term, and you're also not going to be able to identify any potential obstacles that you might face. So right here in front of me, I've got 3 different pros and 3 different cons that you guys need to know if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing. So let's start off with one of the first cons, which is that you have no real control over the commissions that you're being paid. And if you don't know exactly what this means, the way affiliate marketing works is that you're going to promote someone else's product or service. And whenever someone clicks on your unique link and buys that product or service, you're going to be able to make a commission. But the main issue when it comes to the commissions that you're going to be paid is that it can change at any time. You might be making, let's say, $50, $100 every single time someone buys a particular product. But the following month, the company that you're promoting may completely change the amount of commission that they're paying out to all of their affiliate marketers. So I'll definitely say that this is one of the biggest cons that you guys need to be looking out for. The second con is that there could be some delays with your payouts. Now, of course, if you're not desperate for the money straight away, then this may not be a big deal, but this is another thing that I've noticed is that you may get, let's say, $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 in affiliate commissions with a particular company, but majority of them are going to wait maybe a month, maybe 2 months before they pay anything into your bank account. And the reason why they do this is because they need to wait for any refunds, any chargebacks. So there needs to be that period in between you referring that customer to them and them paying you any money that you're owed. So again, if you're not desperate for the money, then this may not be a big deal, but it's just something that you need to know. And moving on to the third and final con of doing affiliate marketing, which is that it could take time for you to build up a solid traffic source. And this is something that I had to learn the hard way, because when it comes to all of the different affiliate marketing businesses that I've built, I tend to do things organically. I don't really like to use paid ads that much. I do use paid ads now and then, but the main way that I like to make people aware of my affiliate offers is with organic traffic. But the main issue with doing it that way is that it can take a month, maybe 2 months before you build up a decent amount of traffic and you make a decent amount of money. However, there are some pros that you guys need to know as well. First one is that you have a lot of flexibility. And when I say flexibility, this means that you can run an affiliate marketing business anywhere around the world. You don't need to be restricted to a specific location. You're also going to be able to pivot your business at any point if you want to. If you want to change a product, if you want to change a particular niche, you're going to be able to do it overnight. Because there's no physical inventory that you need to buy and send it to a physical location, you're going to be able to be flexible when it comes to running your online business. The second pro is that it has a great passive income potential. So depending on how you structure your business, which I'm going to explain how you can do it in the best way possible in a moment, you're going to be able to set yourself up for great passive income, which is going to come in every single month consistently. It all comes down to promoting the best type of affiliate offers. And if you are able to do things correctly, you're going to be able to expect money in your bank account every month without you having to do much. The third and final pro that I'm going to talk about in this video is that there's low business cost. As I already said earlier, it's very flexible. You don't need no inventory. You don't need to hire any staff and office space. Because it's not your physical product that you're promoting and it's another company's product, they've gone through the effort of making sure that they've got customer service, making sure that the product works properly, making sure that they've upgraded it when needs be. None of that is your responsibility. Your only job is to make sure that you're sending the right traffic to the right offers. And because of that, you're going to be spending a lot less than what other people have to spend when it comes to various other online businesses that are out there. Alright, so now that you're aware of both the pros and the cons that go into doing affiliate marketing, the next thing that you need to know if you want to give yourself the best chance of becoming rich with this online business model is to make sure that you're finding the best products to promote. And you're probably wondering right now, but Sam, what exactly makes a good affiliate product? Well, there's so many different factors. One of the first things is obviously the amount of commission that you're going to be paid. The second thing is that you want to make sure that you're going to get some sort of recurring payment, which means that if the person that signs up through your link stays with that product or service for the foreseeable future, you're going to be able to make money as long as that person continues using that product. These are the 2 things that you need to know to maximize the amount of money that you could potentially make. So for example, if I wanted to click bank and I was looking for a brand new product for me to promote, one of the first things that I'll do in the affiliate marketplace is to look at all of these different categories at the top and pick one that I know that number 1, I have some sort of knowledge in it, and number 2, there's a lot of money being spent within that particular category. So this is all going to depend on your own personal situation, but in my case, I might want to go for e-business and e-marketing. But the next thing that you want to look out for is the average commission that you're going to be paid. So as you can see with this one, it's only $33 that you're going to be paid. However, with this one, it's around $63. However, there's this one over here that you're going to be paid on average around $259. And the main point that I'm trying to make right now is that you want to make sure that you're researching your average commission payout before you start promoting the product, because it may not be worth your time in you only being able to make around $10, $15 every single time that you're able to convert someone into a customer. And it's not just with ClickBank that you're going to do this with. I'm just using them as an example. You can also do it with another affiliate marketplace, for example, PartnerStack. This is another website that I use when it comes to me finding various different offers that I can promote. And the way that I check how much I'm going to be paid in commissions on this website is by looking at this bold section over here. So for example, as we can see with this company over here that I've never heard of before, if I was to successfully get someone to sign up to it, I'm going to make around $250. Or there's this one over here where I'm going to be able to earn up to $25,000 for every single paying customer that I'm able to send to this particular software. You just need to make sure that before you put in effort when it comes to building out your traffic source, you find out exactly how much you're going to be paid so that you don't end up wasting a lot of time. So moving on to one of the next things that you need to know if you want to give yourself the best chance to become rich with affiliate marketing is to make sure that you're building solid traffic sources. And the two main traffic sources that I recommend most beginners to look into is either YouTube as well as their own blog website. Reason being is because Google is the #1 most visited website in the entire world and YouTube is the second most visited website in the entire world, which means that there's a lot of potential when it comes to you being able to build up an audience around a specific topic so that you're going to be able to now promote various different offers to them. Like for example, if we take a look at one of my newest websites that I've added to my portfolio, which is successwithbusiness.com. This website is obviously targeted towards people that are looking to have success with their business and they want to make money online. And that's why if we take a look at some of the articles that I'm publishing on a regular basis, topics like how to make money online using Google, the top 11 dropshipping suppliers in 2023, how to start affiliate marketing in 2023 for beginners. By me focusing on building a solid traffic source like a website, as well as making sure that I'm going after a targeted audience, it's now going to make it a lot easier when it comes time for me to promote various different affiliate offers that I think is going to be best for that audience if I ever decide to do so. And moving on to one of the final things that I'm going to talk about in this video that you need to make sure that you're doing when it comes time for you to build your affiliate marketing business is to make sure that you're not forgetting the importance of email marketing. And when I say email marketing, what this means is that you need to make sure that you're building up an email list. So whenever someone comes across your traffic source, whether it's your YouTube channels, whether it's your websites, whether it's your social media, TikTok, Instagram, you want to make sure that you're adding them into an email list so that you're going to be able to now build a deeper connection with that person. For me personally, what I like to do is provide as much free value as possible. That's the reason why I make daily videos on this channel. That's the reason why I'm releasing articles on my websites on a regular basis, is because I want to make sure that I'm giving people as much free value as possible. And now if they want to join my newsletter, I'm going to be able to now give them even more free value and maybe recommend a product now and then. And the email marketing software that I like to use with majority of the different online businesses that I'm running at the moment is Aweber. So Aweber is very efficient. You're going to be able to do so many different things, and you're also going to be able to create various different automations. So for example, if I click on create campaign over here, you're going to be able to choose from all of these different templates right here, depending on what email sequence you want to set up. So whether it's someone that's just joined your newsletter and you want to send them out a welcome series, you can set it up using this one. Or maybe you've just uploaded a new blog to your website, you can use this blog automation. Same thing goes with YouTube as well. If you upload a new video, they're automatically going to send an email out to your email list. There's so many different email automations that you can set up. So if you did want to sign up for a completely free account, you could do that by clicking the link in my description down below. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe as well and hit the bell notification. And if you want to sign up to my completely free email newsletter where twice a week, I'm going to personally send you out an email to help you when it comes to making money online, whether it's an email about dropshipping, selling on Amazon, eBay dropshipping, affiliate marketing, whatever the case is. I'm going to send you an email every single week to help you on your money making journey. So you can sign up for that by clicking the first link in the description down below. And if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I broke down some other basic things that I didn't really touch on in today's video when it comes to starting affiliate marketing as a complete beginner, then make sure you click the link right there. Check that video out straight after this one because it's already helped out so many people and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.